Welcome back to another update on the Wenchi Sawla Road project. After leaving the contractor's campsite at Carpenter, we arrive at Banda Nkwanta, where construction activities are becoming increasingly visible. One of the key developments here is the construction of roadside drainage systems. These drains are essential for protecting the future road pavement by directing rainwater away from the roadway, reducing erosion, and helping to extend the lifespan of the highway. Banda Nkwanta is an active commercial center along this important corridor. Along the roadside, you can find guest houses, livestock market, where goods and cattle are traded, washing bays, and shops that sell farming machinery and equipment. The ongoing upgrade of the Wenchi Sawla Road will bring significant benefit to these businesses. Improved road conditions will make travel faster and safer, attract more customers, reduce vehicle operating costs, and improve the movement of goods and services. Livestock traders will have easier access to markets. Guest houses can expect increased patronage from travelers and transport operators, and agricultural equipment dealers will benefit from improved connectivity to farming communities across the region. The outskirts, we take a short drive to the township itself, giving us a closer look at the local community that stands to benefit from this major infrastructure investment. Our journey then continued to Kwame Kwesi, where we visited the Changda Overseas Engineering Site Camp, serving Lot 4 of the project. This camp serves as an important operational base, where heavy construction equipment is stationed before being deployed to various sections of the highway. From the air, The drone captures a comprehensive 360-degree view of the campsite, the surrounding community, nearby schools, and the highway corridor. The footage also highlights the extensive roadside clearing activities currently underway. These clearing works are a crucial early phase of road construction, creating space for future earthworks, drainage structures, and eventual road widening. The presence of excavators, tractors, and other construction equipment demonstrate that preparations are progressing steadily on this section of the project. As daylight began to fade, we continued to dig towards Wasipe area, where more active construction operations were underway. Here, we observed several key pieces of heavy machinery, including a grader, a boma compactor, a bulldozer, along the corridor. Using the drone, we capture another aerial perspective of the project area. From above, it is clear that substantial roadside clearing has already been completed on both sides of the highway. The scale of the work becomes even more evident from the air, revealing long stretches of cleared corridor that gradually transforming the future routes. These activities represent important groundwork that will pave the way for the next stage of construction as the Wenchi Sawla Road continues its journey towards becoming a modern transportation corridor, connecting communities, businesses, and regional economies across Ghana.